This is Daily Coin Wire with your daily crypto briefing. Bitcoin is trading in the mid-$80,000 range, down several percent over the past 24 hours following a sharp intraday move. Price remains above the broader medium-term support zone, but momentum has cooled after recent highs. Key resistance sits near the $90,000 level. Market sentiment has shifted from risk-on to more neutral as leverage unwinds. Funding rates have normalized after elevated positioning earlier in the week. Ethereum is trading near the low $3,000 range, modestly lower on the day but still outperforming Bitcoin on a relative basis. Ethereum continues to hold above its key structural support zone as broader market volatility increases. The total crypto market has pulled back alongside Bitcoin, reflecting position resets rather than broad risk capitulation. The top story today is the sharp liquidation-driven move across Bitcoin derivatives markets. Over a short time window, a large amount of long leverage was forced out as price moved lower without a clear negative headline catalyst. This matters because it highlights how crowded positioning and thin liquidity can amplify moves even in the absence of news. For Bitcoin and Ethereum, this type of reset often reduces short-term downside risk by clearing excess leverage, but it can also delay upside continuation until new demand re-enters. In secondary developments, on-chain data shows no significant spike in long-term holder distribution, suggesting the move was largely driven by derivatives rather than spot selling. ETF flows remain steady, with no meaningful outflows reported from major Bitcoin or Ethereum products. From a macro perspective, markets remain sensitive to upcoming central bank guidance, with liquidity expectations continuing to influence risk assets broadly. Key levels and signals to watch. For Bitcoin, the $85,000 to $86,000 zone remains critical near-term support, while $90,000 remains the key resistance level. For Ethereum, holding above the $3,000 level remains central as relative strength continues to develop. Stay informed. Stay ahead. Subscribe to Daily Coin Wire for daily crypto news.